how to recover my eyes only pictures on Snapchat. So if this video helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So today is a very easy tutorial for you guys. Click on your Snapchat app, and what we'll do next is go to your gallery by clicking the picture icon in the left corner of the Snapchat app. So by clicking on that, you can see your snaps, your camera roll, your stories, and your my eyes only. So we have here a passcode, but if you have forgotten your passcode, this is what you should do. Go to the options part. You can change your passcode if you know your password still, but if you have forgotten, click on the forgot passcode and then enter your passcode for your Snapchat. So once you have entered that, click on I understand, continue, and you can create a new passcode for it. So put the passcode that you want, and after that there will be a finish or complete setup prompt. Just click on finish, and there you go. You can now use again a new passcode for your Snapchat. Just enter the new passcode that you have created, and there you go. I have created a new password and I can now access my Snapchat. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.